my wife are wanting to become a business owner, it's really exciting to me that there's something that we can do together as a family. We have a son who's in college, and you can learn a lot in a college classroom, but there's many things that you just simply can't. And so I'm excited about the opportunity for on-hand life experience and all the fun that we can have together as a family in that process.
Yeah, the business model was what attracted me and us. I think I can speak for her here as well. Just the potential for the upside for a relatively modest investment was very, very appealing. I think having the family atmosphere, be able to take that to the event space or to the birthday party or whatever event that we're catering, I think is really neat too. And a lot of businesses don't provide that kind of opportunity where the entire family can be involved. So it's all of those things. And definitely being able to, arrive at an event 5 or 10 minutes before it starts and sort of be the last food truck there and the first one to leave because of the simplicity of the business is very appealing and very attractive as well.
And people are happy to see you.
Lots of people, lots of smiles.
That's really cool. And you get to work with people, and I think that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So for me, one of the biggest attractions for Tikiz is the fact that it's clean. I like that, we're not preparing something, you're not worried about somebody getting some secret recipe that your grandmother passed down or whatever. It's clean, it's neat. I don't smell like fried food or something that I love to eat, but I don't want to smell like when I go home. So yeah, I think it's a great business model as well. Everything has gone smoothly, and it's been a fun experience of getting things in order and setting things up and learning new things and growing at the same time. And it's been nice to get to know the personalities and to actually see the faces and behind the names that you see on the website, and it's been a good experience.
Yeah, Brian has been just an incredible support person. He and I started talking probably 8 months ago now, I guess. And I told him at one point in time that he's got to be the world's most available CEO because he just was very responsive to texts and phone calls and emails. And his personality is great, and obviously he knows the business, so he was able to really share a lot of really great information even before we signed the franchise agreement. That I don't know if we were unique in being able to get some of the inside scoop early, or if that's just the way he works. But certainly for us, it really made the decision to sign much easier because we felt like by the time we got to that point, we really had a lot of really great information from the CEO.
Good support.
And really liked the approach, liked the business model, and we're here this week getting some training, and that's gone great as well. Filled in quite a few holes. So I guess I would, if I were going to summarize it in one word or 1 or 2 words, it's been a very fun experience, but also very coordinated and structured and methodical, and has really done a great job. I think, in preparing us to actually start our operations.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Yep.